Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your computer cannot be connected. And it says that you must enable the COM Plus network access. And it says that the computer cannot be connected, verify that the network path is correct, the computer is available on the network, and that the appropriate Windows firewall rules are enabled on the target computer. And then to enable the appropriate Windows firewall rules on the remote computer, open the Windows firewall with Advanced Security Snap-in and enable the following inbound rules. So if you've already done that and you're still having a problem going through the prompt in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve that. And we are going to start by opening up the Start menu. Type in regedit, so REGEDIT. Best result should come back a registry editor. You want to go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select Yes. Now, before you proceed in the registry, I would highly suggest that you create a backup of it. So if anything were to go wrong, you could easily restore it back. So in order to create the backup, it's very simple. You just would select File and then Export. File name, I'd recommend naming it the date in which you are making the backup. Make sure export range is selected to all, and then save it to a convenient and easily accessible location on your computer or external hard drive. And if you ever needed to import it back in, you would just do File and then Import and navigate to the file location. So again, pretty straightforward. And now we are ready to begin. So we're going to start by double clicking on the HK local machine folder. Do the same thing now for the software folder. Same thing for Microsoft. And you want to go down to COM3, so COM3. And on the right side now, you want to go locate where it says Remote Access Enabled. Double click on it. You want to make sure the value data is set to 1. So if it's anything other than 1, delete it, type the number 1, and then select OK. Once that is done, close out of here, restart your computer, and then hopefully your issue should be resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.